Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. So today you guys, I'm in Kansas City doing a quick video, like a photo walk kind of video. I usually do all my videos in my room and talking like into the camera, but today I'm out in Kansas City. I'm actually stuck here in Kansas City. If you guys like follow me, you guys know I live in Houston, Texas, but there's actually like a winter storm happening in Houston, and my flight has been canceled like I think already like 4 times, and I'm here in Kansas City, and I didn't want to break my upload a video weekly, because I made like this little how do I say, like a New Year's resolution kind of, to upload a YouTube video every week, and I've been doing really good about it. So today I'm gonna do like a little photo walk and shoot on my iPhone and edit all the pictures on my iPhone and even edit the video on the iPhone. So if the quality of this video is not up to par, I apologize, but next week we'll be back to in studio high HD camera. I'm actually carrying my Sony with me. I'm taking photos with it, but again, like, I have no way to transfer that footage, those photos, into my cell phone. Well, I didn't even bring my laptop with me, so I can't edit my photos how I would like to edit them, and I don't want to edit these photos on my iPhone. I don't think it's like the best, but the photos I'm going to be shooting today are all on my iPhone, and I'm going to be editing them in the Lightroom app. So I hope you guys enjoy it. It's going to be a quick short video, and it should be fun, so stick around and watch the video. Thank you. Alright you guys, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you for watching. If you want to see these photos, follow my Instagram account. I'll link them down below. But yeah, thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm currently freezing. Thank you. Bye.